Good morning, all of you. All of you visible my screen, shared screen. Hello.
Yes, sir.
All of you seen the my screen, budget preparation and implementation?
Yes, sir. Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, within 2 minutes, we have to continue the last sessions. Wait for another 2 minutes for joining remaining students. Near about 47 are joined till time. Hardly 3-4 slides for today's session. That is implementation of budget. Once again, revise the sessions in the content of your syllabus is contents, that is budgets, their objective, why it is necessary, and the advantage of the budgets. What are the advantage for pre-plan the particular budget for starting the newer programs, newer department, which is helpful to maintain the balance along with sound with the finance if proper budgeting is occur. With the help of head of the departments of hospitals, of all departments like orthopedics, pediatric class, even for pharmacy stores also there is a budgeting. Then there are two types of budget for long terms. They are about 5 to 10 years required. That type of budget is called as major budgets. Minor budget within 1 to 2 hours, 2 years, they finish the workout, whatever the plans. That is called as types of budgets. Their implementation and factor affecting budgets. Meanwhile, there is a preparation of budgets. Which points you have to consider that we have to study in the last lectures. This is a budget. There is an instrumentation between hospital administrations, management of the department, and governing bodies can review the hospital services in relation to the prepared plan in a comprehensive and integrated form expressed in financial terms. Here, one of the program you have to start, it requires budget and whatever the controlling over that particular budget. How controls? Through the departmental heads, the controlling was occur. Generally, any college, their principal is the head for the administrators. They control over the all budget required for the college. They divide segregated the budget concern budget into various departments like in our college there are 4 5 departments: quality assurance, statistics, pharmaceutical chemistry, cognosy, and ecology. Every year they allocate the budget approximately as per the budget, as per the income and expenditure. On that basis they allocate the budgets. Even also library, one of the department out of the college. For library they give the some budgets. For computer section they give the budget for purchasing and their utilization to your students. An objective to maintain the developed standards. These are the some objectives. Yesterday we have to study identification, deviation and standards, analysis of deviations. Any deviations means, for example, particular budget allocated for particular department 1 lakh, they acquire more than 5 lakhs. So that deviation you have to analyze. Means 1 lakh there is little bit difference with 10 to 15% with that budget, either increase or decrease. That is tentative budget. That is acceptable, 10 to 20%. But more than 100%, it is not acceptable because the planning of budget is totally collapse or hamper with the other department. If any one department consumes more than their allocated budgets, then other departments are suffers. The various advantages of budgets: develop the better financial plannings, better focus on the decision makings to the managements, effectively manage the financial aspect to the hospitals, and expose the reason of over expenditures. Whatever the over expenditures, it requires the valid reasons. Unnecessary money ये purchase किया वो purchase किया, that is not considered by the management. They give the proof or give the reasons. For examples, we required for PG courses IR. That is the essential condition for the PG courses. So IR spectroscopy is essential. Give the reason to the management during expenditure over the instruments. Like that. Help to focus on hospital priorities. Whatever the priorities, we are focusing by allocation of the budgets and enhance the efficacy of staffs and others due to planning. There are two types of budgets. Short-term budgets within 2 years, we have to allocate and finish the particular programs by preparing the budgets, and long-term budgets, that is 5 to 10 years. Again, these budgets are divided into their generally all the budgets are divided into one is income part in the budget, second is expenditure, that is expense part, and uh, intermediate, that is some department gives the asking the capitals. In that conditions, that is the provision for that particular department. Incomes in generally hospitals from number of prescription, number of patients if come to the hospital, ultimately they announces their income source in the particular hospitals. And expenditures, that is on the salary, supply of the drugs, clinical visit, whatever the expenditures, that is the salary of that concerned staff which run in the hospitals, like doctors, nursing, visiting doctors also give their expenses or give their honorariums, salary. Like that, these are the statistics here. This first three are generally for the income source, and these are the expenditure source given in the budgets. And then go with the preparation of budget. Generally, hospital gives a statistic kind of informations given by the financial managers to give how many requirements and how many expenditures going on these years. Another part is for the development purpose, some financial matters, some economic matters you have to consider for the new development in the hospitals given by the administrators. And major goal of this preparing the budget is outline the goals and policies whatever the designed by the hospital administrations for achieving with the help of this preparation of budget, that is achieving the goals as well as whatever the policy and given by the administrator, they are implemented properly. And here during the preparation of budget, the financial managers whatever the budget require budget package, they forward towards the department through financial management. जसं आपलं इंडियाचं बजेट होत आहे इन द मंथ ऑफ फेब्रुवारी, बघितले कोणी, ऐकले कधी? त्यात बऱ्याच वेळेस दाखवले जाते ₹1 कसा येणार, कुठल्या कुठल्या सेक्टरकडनं ₹1 इन्कम कसं येणार आणि एक्सपेन्सेस कशी होणार ह्या थ्रू आउट इयरमध्ये. जसं इन्कम फ्रॉम इन्कम टॅक्स डिपार्टमेंट, फ्रॉम रेव्हेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट, फ्रॉम paying the professional tax by the salary persons. पुस्तके. And how the expenditure in the form of their development of our country, like railway sanctioning the new railway stations, new airports, modulation in the railway station as well as bus stands, new roads, 4 lanes, 6 lanes, 8 lanes. There is a development of our country. It requires the expenditure sums. That is, ₹1 go to the particular expenditures. Like that, here the financial managers, what is the requirement of the budget package for the particular hospitals, they forward towards the all departments. Whatever the revenue are coming to the particular hospitals, and they forward particular departmental budget to the head of the departments. A budget hearing organized by the generally financial officers. All the major hospitals having the administrative department, They look out the matter with the budgetings along with the documentation parts like their clerk, administrative finance accountant. They help to the forming the budget with the help of guidance with the guidance of the administrators, hospital administrator or governing body members. They give the statistical data generated department wise and produce their budget to the concerned department. And these financial officers are overlooked to the collection of the individual departmental budget as well as their expenditures. And this budget was sanctioned from the governing body or hospital administrator. These are the point you have to consider during the preparation of budgets. And whatever the budget prepared by the financial officers or financial manager, they put towards in front of the governing body of the trust or hospital administrators for the prior approval. Once the approval, then work out throughout the years. Generally, whatever the budget allocated, that budget, whether it is implemented correctly or not, that to be take their feedback, necessary feedback in the monthly basis or quarterly basis or half yearly basis. Or some big hospitals they go with the quarterly ones. Small hospitals generally go for the yearly ones. Whatever the budget allocated and their expenditure, they go with the yearly. So this kind of budget which is helpful for the development of particular hospitals. After this part, we have to discuss in the last lectures. I think those are missed for the last lectures. There is some summarizations up to this part. Then move with the implementations. Why it is implementation is necessary? Once the approval from the higher authorities of the concerned hospitals or concerned administrators or from the government governing council body members of the trust. Once the budget is approved, then go for the implementations. For implementation orders, these are the parameters are included. That is requirement of department, different department requirements that could be implemented during the preparation of budgets. Second parameter for implementation budget, actual fund positions. म्हणजे जेवढं फंड आपल्याकडे अवेलेबल आहे फायनान्स अवेलेबल आहे त्यानुसार आपण बजेट अलोकेशन्स करायचं पर्टिक्युलर डिपार्टमेंट ना की सध्या फॉर एक्झाम्पल 1 करोड आपल्याकडे आहेत आणि तुम्ही अलोकेट करतो पर्टिक्युलर डिपार्टमेंटला 4 करोड. दॅट इज नॉट फिजिबल वन. वॉट एव्हर द फंड्स अवेलेबल विथ अवर hands, that fund we have to generally implemented during the budget formings. As per the requirement of the department, we have to allocate the particular budget to the particular department with the prior approval by the governing body members. For that allocations, the actual fund positions, all of you body members know how many funds or liquid amount should be available with us. Then whatever the budget allocated, their utility of the particular items means particular budgets are allocated for the particular department. They check the utility where proper implementation of budget is followed or not as per the budget provisions. Then cost of the products. Again here the cost cutting issues. This parameter we have to consider during the budget preparation and their implementation. For example, any instrument we have to purchase in the hospitals, they generally go with the quotations. For example, X-ray machines, particular hospitals undergo for purchasing one. So they go with the quotation with different types of different companies. Those companies having the less amount quoted in their quotations, that product generally finalized by the administrators. This is a procedure for the purchasing of product with quality. Again, the cost of products are depend on the quality. If quality is enhanced, then ultimately the cost of that particular product was be annulled. That is, quality is directly proportional to the cost of the product. So that particular product identify on the basis of quality as well as cost. They call the quotations during finalization of the particular products. So these are the parameters you have to consider during the implementation of budget. That is, requirement of different departments, actual fund positions having with the hospitals, utility of particular items, whether it is utilized or not, or dumped in our hospitals. That things you have to manage. Means working products or working items generally used, usable condition. Particular item whenever you go for the purchase, that is utility of that particular items. For example, in our spectroscopy purpose, NMR spectroscopy, the costing of NMR spectroscopy is almost near about 2.5 crores. It is essential with our college, then it is purchase. Otherwise, that type of cost is totally dumped because in our college, in research department, hardly 15 to 20 students go for the NMRs only. And outside where whenever the NMR spectroscopy is available, they give the per sample 800 rupees charges. So that charges is worthable instead of purchasing NMR spectroscopy in our campus. That type of utilization of the particular items you have to consider during the implementation or budgetings. If not utilized, then no one can go for the purchase. So that kind of parameter you have to consider during the implementation of budget. And ultimately cost and quality is directly proportional to the product. If quality is better, then ultimately cost is enhanced. That parameter also considered during the budgetings. These are the implementation of budget and their parameters. Then, what are the different factors affecting on the budgets? There are some factors here introducing, that is local conditions and compulsions. Whatever the service provided by the hospitals, that is compelled to the particular patients. Means whenever you go for the any hospitals, the hospitalization is, if necessary, then go for the hospitalizations. Like corona conditions nowadays. Corona झाले की admission आहेच आहे. That is the local conditions. Our collector decided that whole power goes to the collector once. If corona patient is infected by the COVID-19 virus, then go with the hospitalizations only, hospital cares. Nowadays, the guidelines are changes. There is no compulsion to the hospitals. You have to take the home isolations for that particular patients. That matter also considered during, that factors are considered during the budgetings. And this here, the local condition means आपलं हॉस्पिटलही चाललं पाहिजे, इन्कमही आलं पाहिजे आणि द एक्सपेन्सेस आणि इन्कम ह्याचा तालमेल बसला पाहिजे, जेणेकरून 100 रुपये यायलेत आपल्या हॉस्पिटलला आणि 200 रुपये खर्च व्हायला, असं व्हायला नको. मग त्या कंडिशनला काय करावं लागेल, इन्कम वाढवण्यासाठी काही गोष्टी कंपल्सरी द्यावं लागतील. जसं प्रिस्क्रिप्शन वाढवावं लागतील, नंबर ऑफ टॅबलेट्स, अनवॉन्टेड टॅबलेट कॅप्सूल्स गिवन टू द पर्टिक्युलर पेशंट्स. बऱ्याच ठिकाणी काय होतंय, रमाल प्रॅक्टिस केल्यासारखं होतंय. मी स्वतः बघितले ज्यावेळेस मी मार्केटिंगला होतो, माझा अनुभव सांगतो. पर्टिक्युलर डॉक्टरचं नाव सांगत नाही मी इथं. एक डॉक्टर प्रोटॉन पंप इनिबिटर्स प्रिस्क्राईब करायचं अलॉंग विथ अँटीहिस्टॅमिनिक्स. म्हणजे दोघांचंही काम काय आहे, रिड्युसेस द गॅस्ट्रिक ॲसिड सेक्रेशन्स. म्हणजे याचा अर्थ काय झाला, 2 ड्रग तुम्ही एकाच कंडिशनला देताय. पीपीआय तर पीपीआय दिल्यानंतर अल्टिमेटली टोटल गॅस्ट्रिक पंप इनिबिशन्स होत आहे. H plus K plus proton pump inhibition completely. PPI जर दिला असेल ओमिप्राझोल पॅन्टाप्राझोल रॅबिप्राझोल आणि रॅनिटिडिन जवळपास 70% HCl गॅस्ट्रिक ऍसिड रिडक्शन करते. दॅट इज H2 ब्लॉकर्स. H2 ब्लॉकरना 70% HCl आपल्या स्टमक मध्ये जनरेट होते. That is blocked by the H2 blockers. That particular prescription I had to seal by the particular doctors. So that kind of practice also practicing in the local conditions for increasing the incomes. म्हणजे इन्कम आणि एक्सपेंडिचरचं जे काही आहे तालमोल तो व्यवस्थित घातला पाहिजे. अनदर सम मॅनेजमेंट पॉलिसीज असंच करायला पाहिजे तसंच करायला पाहिजे ऑल्सो अफेक्ट ऑन द बजेट्स. Another factor affecting that is confidence of the higher authority. Whatever the policies are given by the higher authority, that is correct one. That is that type of confidence of higher authority. Maybe differentiate or divert the or deviation in the budgets. And another factor, ability of the higher authorities. They able to take the necessary actions during their budget implementations. That ability they does not show during the budget allocations. That is the one of the factors for the hampering the budget preparation as well as their implementation. लोकल कंडिशन काही सांगता येत नाही. जसं कोरोना आला बाकीचे डिसीज कमी झाले हॉस्पिटलायझेशनला साठी. जे हॉस्पिटल बाकीच्या डिसीजवर चालत होती ऑर्थोपेडिक म्हणा हे ते नियर अबाउट कोलॅप्स झाल्यासारखे झाले 6 महिन्यासाठी. मग दॅट कंडिशन्स देर आर सम रॉंग प्रॅक्टिस सुद्धा युटिलाइज करू शकतात किंवा जे काही पेशंट्स कोरोना रिलेटेड आलेत त्यांना येऊन तुमचं रॅमडेसिविर द्या म्हणजे 1.5-2 लाख रुपये आपले घट होतील असं एक प्रॉपर प्लॅनिंग असतं पर्टिक्युलर हॉस्पिटल इन्कम आणि एक्सपेंडिचर का तालमोल ठेवण्यासाठी. These are the factors we have to consider. And finally, the management policies. मॅनेजमेंट जर सांगितलं आपल्याला असं करू नका असंच ठेवा अशी सर्व्हिस द्या देन we are implementing that policy, and due to that policy there is a effect either in the form of income or either in the form of expenses override आपण म्हणू शकतो. whatever the expenses we have to calculate it त्याच्यापेक्षा जे काही जास्त झाले असतील that is overhead expenditures due to the management policy. Whatever the management give the policy, that policy was implemented and काय म्हणता येईल त्याला implemented, and that effect on the budgets either in the form of incomes or either in the form of expenditures. And third factor is confidence of higher authority. Whatever we have decided is correct one. That type of confidence is also affect on the budgets and ability of the higher authority, because all the budgets are approved by the concerned department or concerned body member of the particular hospital or hospital administrator. That ability, whatever the decisions, whatever the approvals to the particular budget given by the financial officers, that budgets was approved by the higher authority, because that type of ability or that type of permissions are required. So up to this part, these are the parts come in the budget preparations and their implementations. Local conditions compulsions, management policies, confidence of higher authorities, and ability of the higher authorities. And for the implementation of budget, these are the parameters like requirement of the different department budgets, what is the requirement, then actual fund positions with hospitals, utility of particular items, whether it is usable or less usable, that can be identified a particular department, and on that basis you have to select that particular purchase of the items. Then cost of the products, here quality and cost are equally or directly proportionals. So these parameters we have to consider. Up to this part, it is related with the budget preparations and the controls.